Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cook Black Truffle Cream Pasta in Heartopia. First, make sure you already have the recipe. You can buy this recipe from NPC Massimo. And then after that, just go to your stove and then just tap on it. And then just choose the Black Truffle Cream Pasta recipe like this. And then make sure your ingredients are complete like this. There are truffle and then wheat and then milk. And after that, just simply tap on start cooking like this. And okay, like this. That's it, your black truffle cream pasta is done and ready to serve. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.